How to log into ADP Mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to guide you through the login and deletion process of ADP Mobile. So allow me to take you step by step on how to access ADP. So let's delve into the tutorial without delay. To begin, launch the ADP mobile application on your device first, and this action will directly take you to the login portal of ADP. Proceed by entering your user ID into the designated, and if you wish for the device to remember your user ID, simply check the Save My User ID box and click on Next. Conversely, if your user ID slips your mind, select the Forgot User ID option for the recovery. Moving forward, you will be prompted to input your password, fill in your password and click on the Sign In button to successfully access the ADP. In case you have forgotten your password, utilize the Forgot or Reset Password option for the retrieval. Moreover, you have the option to enable the Face ID for the login by following the on-screen instructions. So this is a comprehensive procedure required to log into the ADP Mobile. So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.